Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I recently just posted a video of a beauty haul, and the main part of that haul was the ColourPop and Disney designer collection, and I got the entire collection except for the highlighters. So my plan with this collection is to do 6 different looks, so in 6 different videos. So because I'm doing 6, I'm going to do 1 on every princess that is in this collection. So for example, for today I'm going to be using Belle, and the idea with Belle is that I'm just going to use the lipstick from her name and make a look using this eyeshadow palette. It's a princess thing, as well as using the individual Super Shock shadows. So I have put all of my makeup on other than the lips and the eyes, and I'm going to start on Belle today. First, I'm going to prime my eyelids. I'm just going to use the e.l.f. Eyeshadow primer. Then to set the primer, I'm going to go in with the shade Chip from the It's a Princess Thing palette. I'm going to go in with the shade Grumpy on a fluffy brush. And I'm going to put this like really blown out in the crease. And I'm going to make sure I blend these colors really, really well. Just keep blending. I'm going to go in with a brush that's a little bit more precise, but it's still pretty fluffy. And I'm going to take that into Triton. And I'm going to put that in my crease too, but a lot lower than I put Grumpy. And I want to go back with that same fluffy brush and blend those two together. Now I want to go in with a Boo on a more stiff fluffy brush, and this is the one from the Naked Smoky palette. And I want to keep this on the outer part, but also bring it up to the crease, just not too far. And then go back in with that same fluffy brush and blend that out as well. Next I'm going to use the Super Shock eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Almost There. I'm going to put this on the inner half of the lid, but I'm going to end up like blending it to the rest of the lid as well. Go back into the same blending brush again and blend that out just a little bit. And we're going to go into the smaller fluffy brush and go back into Triton and a little bit of a Boo. And put that back on the outer part of the eyelid and just blend those two together a little bit more. And then I'm going to take my finger into Prince Charming back from the eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to put this over the top of it. It kind of got like a little darker than I wanted, and so I wanted to brighten it up a little bit. And this shade is just like crazy pigmented. I love it. And I'm just going to blend that out with my finger. Alright, and then one last time with the same fluffy brush. Blend that out again. And I'm also going to go back into a Boo with that fluffy brush just really lightly and put a little bit more of that on the outer corner because a lot of it got rubbed away. And I'm going to use the shade Ray as a brow bone highlight and also for the inner corner. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes and put on some mascara. then I of course am going to finish up this Belle look with the matching Belle lipstick. Okay, I really like the way that this Belle look turned out. Just for the sake of it, I am going to put one of the lip glosses on top, but I wanted to show you just with the lipstick how it ended up looking, and I think it looked really, really pretty. I like that I did the darker color on the lid. I just think it made it look a little bit more like vampy, but it also isn't like too dark. Yeah, I actually really, really like this, and I think this is something that I would wear a lot, and it took only like 7 minutes to do, so it's super easy and quick. For the lip gloss, I'm going to try Boo on top of this color. I really hope you all enjoyed this Belle-inspired makeup look, and keep watching to see which princess I do next. Bye!